Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to instantly know who's messaging you on Telegram just by the sound? In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom notification sound for one specific person on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Go to the private chat of the person you want to customize notifications for. Tap the user's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. Tap on Notifications. This opens notification settings for that specific user. Now tap the mute icon, then tap Customize. Scroll down. Here, you get the Upload Sound option. You can upload your customized tone, and you'll also see a list of available notification tones below. Tap any sound to preview it, then select the one you want to use. Go back and your custom sound is saved automatically. And that's how you set a custom notification sound for a particular user on Telegram on iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram and iPhone tips.